Let's make some kebabs in the air fryer. I've taken half kg of chicken keema here. You can use lamb or beef or mutton, whatever you like. I'm gonna add the spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, salt, paprika, black pepper, chili flakes. Now for the vegetables, I'm gonna add garlic, coriander, green onions, pepper, and white onion. Tomato paste, olive oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, or you can just add normal all-purpose plain flour, or you can add breadcrumbs. Mix everything. So the kebab mixture is ready. Now I'm gonna take my air fryer basket. Now take the kebab mixture. Now I'm gonna put the kebab mixture here and spread it out because I'm making a big kebab. You can make the kebabs in your oven, in your pan. You don't have to do it in the air fryer. I'm just doing it because I'm just making it for myself. So I'm gonna make only 2 kebabs at the moment. Now I'm gonna place a slice of tomato and gently press it inside the kebab mixture. I'm gonna place green chilies here because I love green chilies and the kebab mixture is not spicy at all. So these kebabs are ready. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. So I left these in there for about 15 minutes. And now I'm just gonna flip them. So I'm gonna put them back in for about 7 to 8 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. These are done from this side as well.